Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bugs Coins and welcome to the channel. And today we have an in the post. This is in the post number 44. I have 3 items to show you, but some of them have multiple coins in them. This first one is from the reign of Isabella II, who became, I think, was the last queen before they became a republic. And then they had the reinstatement of the monarchy some while later. This coin is dated 1867, if I can get it out of the damn wrapper, out of the bank bag. It says, there we go. There we go. Isabella II coin. Dated 1867, so she's on the throne around about the same time as Queen Victoria. She's a queen that I've collected a few coins of just recently, and I've not been disappointed in any of them. They've all been fairly well. They've not been as badly worn as the Victoria coins could have been. Now, I don't know whether these were sort of as the Republic or the non-royal era of Spain that was started just after her death for about 12 years. Talk of coins out of circulation, but these, none of them are really, that I've seen of Isabella, that I've got, that have been badly worn. So they're a set of coins that I'm beginning to enjoy collecting. The second lot mentions the aforementioned Victoria for one of the coins anyway. Oops, come on, I know you can do it. We have a threepenny coin here, silver threepenny bit, that is Victorian. It has the young head of Victoria on it. So that's a threepence from 1860s, I think, if I remember rightly. These 3, however, are silver threepenny bits. They've been attached to a card, not for safekeeping, but that's the way they arrived in the post. They are, I think there's 1 South African and 2 Australian, so they're Commonwealth silver threepenny bits. Come on, come here. So that's the second one. Right, before I actually do the video for these particular coins, the 3 coins here, if I hold them, they're not metal. They are German, but they aren't metal. They came from a reign or a time that was known as a not gold or not geld reign of coins. They come from 3 different German states. Now, not geld normally means not money. So, if these are not money coins that were used as currency for a short while, I'll give you a clue, they're not made out of metal. Tell me down in the comments, what do you think they're made out of? I will certainly tell you when I'm doing the video. But that's my question to you that I'm going to leave you with. What material are these coins made out of? So, we have a bag of coins that are made out of materials that are not what you might think of as a normal material to make coins out of. I have 4 silver threepenny bits and I have a coin from the reign of Isabella II of Spain from the 1860s. So that's my in the post for now. I did have, so in the post 41, 42 and, sorry, 42, 43 and 44, which is this one, have all been taken from a set of coins I had in my box that I hadn't shown to you, as that I bought or had been given or have been, as I say, been gifted or have bought, or I've had in my back collection or catalogue. Okay, so if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe to the channel? I am looking to try and get to 250 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm currently on 196, so hopefully I can hit that target that I set myself. But I do need your help to do it. In that respect, I do a minimum of 4 videos, normally 5 each week. Well, that's what I've been doing recently. If you believe I deserve it, could you please give me your subscription. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again, bye bye. Ta-da now.